well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know the drill by now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.8 thousand of you, and as soon as we hit 10k I will be picking a winner for my giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, now is your time to do so. But in today's video we are going to be reviewing and unboxing a box from the brand Nova, and Nova is run by an incredible lady called Kaylee, who I love very, very much, and she has sent me some products and a discount code for you guys, and I'm going to unbox and review them on camera. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you guys like anything that smells like Lush products, you're gonna love this box. So without further ado, we are gonna dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first thing in the box is this business card, and it's absolutely stunning. Love the font, love the colours, and on the back we have the discount code. So it's Melody10 for 10% off. So I will leave all the links in the description. Make sure you go and check her out. Honestly, I absolutely love this company. They make amazing wax melts. I have had them before and I love them so much. So yeah, I will leave all the links in the description, but without further ado, let's dive into the box because I'm too excited. I can't wait. Let's go. So firstly, let's start off with the wax melt slab bars, I suppose they're called. I'm not really sure what they're called. Bars? The ones you snap? We're going to start with those. So the first one is the ever so famous Snow Fairy. Now Snow Fairy, as you guys know if you are a Lush fan, is one of the most popular scents from Lush. It smells like bubblegum, cotton candy, everything like that. Let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. I'm so excited. I just want my room to smell like bubblegum, so let's give it a smell. Oh, that smells absolutely heavenly. Bubblegum, cotton candy, super sweet. I absolutely love that, and obviously looks super adorable. Nice pink in colour. It's got glitter all throughout. I absolutely love the look of that. Proper fairy princess vibes. So yeah, absolutely stunning. Love that. I'm so excited to use it. So the next item in the box is the Rose Petal Jam wax melts, again in the bar form. I absolutely love these because I love just like snapping off a couple and throwing them in my wax melt burner. I absolutely love it. Let's give it a smell. Oh, this smells really good. It's got a really sweet rose scent, but it almost has a really luxurious like perfume smell, kind of like Marc Jacobs vibes. That's the vibes I get from this one. Really beautiful. I really love the smell of this. Oh yeah, that's really, really good. It's definitely more of a kind of, I feel like it would be a more mature sister to Snow Fairy. That's the kind of vibe I get from Rose Petal Jam. That's the sort of vibe I get. More mature, more fun vibes. But yeah, love them both. And the last bar that we have is the Sleepy. Now, as you guys know, Sleepy and Twilight is one of my all-time fave smells from Lush. Scents from Lush. And I am so excited to give this one a smell. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, this smells really good. This smells really fresh, really relaxing, kind of like a spa smell. It's got a very subtle floral smell. Also, it is a strong smell, but do you know what I mean? It's not strong in the sense that it makes me, like, hits me in the face, but it's strong as in there's a lot going on. Do you know what I mean? That smells absolutely delish. I love the smell of that. I would have to say, I don't know which would be my favourite out of the three. I feel like I would burn this in like a living room, and then I would burn this one in like a bedroom vibe, and this one in like a bathroom setting. Do you know what I mean? Like, that's kind of how I would do it. But I would have to say that my favourite, this is really hard, possibly Snow Fairy? I don't know. I love them all. I'm not too sure. But yeah, all of these, unreal. You guys need to try these. They smell amazing. The next item in the box we have is this really cute little hot wax melt, and this is in the fragrance Birthday Cake, which sounds amazing, and I must smell it. So how do I'm gonna have to cut it open, bear with me. After all that, I realised I didn't actually have to cut it open because you can just open it from that, but never mind. Oh, wait, this smells like something I've smelt before. What is that smell? What is that smell? I've smelt that before. This smells exactly like a Yankee Candle smell. It's like, this is gonna really annoy me now. It's got a really specific smell. It's not Pink Sands. It's got a really fruity smell, like a really... Wait. Does it smell like strawberry Chewits? Am I losing my mind? It smells kind of like Chewits. Or like fruit pastels. No, like Frutella. Something along those lines, that is what that smells like. That smells absolutely incredible. That smells so good. And I love the tiny little wax melt. I think that's so incredibly cute. Oh, I love that. That was delicious. Oh my goodness. The next item in the box is one of the caramel vanilla latte wax melts, and these are like individual pots, so you can just open them and kind of put them in your wax burner. I'm so excited to smell this. Let's go. Oh, that's so good. I love coffee. If you guys didn't know or couldn't tell by now, I'm a very big coffee person. So anything coffee, caramel, vanilla latte vibe, I'm all about. This smells amazing. Oh, that's so delish. Wow. Very strong in scent. So you could easily, I mean, you could probably cut that in half, but if you like a strong sort of wax melt going on, just use the whole thing. That's absolutely delicious. Wow. And I love the packaging. So cute. Love that. The next item in the box is definitely a bit of me, and not necessarily because of the name, but because of what's in it. So this is the Stress Relief Wax Melt, and I'm going to open it up so you guys can see what's inside. Are you ready? It's got crystals in it. Like, can we take a minute? This has got crystals in it. I am absolutely obsessed with this. So it looks, by guessing, that we've got possibly some amethyst, rose quartz, and maybe some green aventurine or something in there. Absolutely stunning. Or fluorite maybe, I'm not really sure. I am in love with this. Let's smell it. Oh wow, that smells so good. That smells so relaxing. Kind of like a really relaxing bath. Lavendery, bath salts, spa. Oh, that's so good. And that's a really wonderful size as well for a wax melt. Again, I don't know whether you would need to use the whole thing, but I guess they are made to use in one, so do with that what you will. But wow, that is really good. If you want a wax melt that's going to be really relaxing, calming, something you could definitely burn in the bedroom, this is really good. Or in the bathroom while you're having a bath. I love that, and I love the idea with the crystals on top, because then you can keep them after. Oh, unbelievable. I love that. And last but definitely not least is a soap sponge, and my mum actually purchased one of these from Kaylee fairly recently, and I was really jealous because it smelt insane. And this is one of the exfoliating soap sponges in the fragrance Snow Fairy. So essentially what it is, it's a sponge that's got soap in it. So it's got soap in it, it's been kind of hardened. I don't know how these are made, I have no idea, but you essentially can just put it under the shower and just wash with it, and it's already got the soap in it. But this one smells like Snow Fairy, and I don't want to completely undo it, but I think I'm going to have to because I really want to smell it. So we're going to open it up. Oh, that's unreal. That is so incredibly strongly scented of Snow Fairy. That is amazing. If you guys really want to get your hands on some Snow Fairy shower gel, but obviously it's not available anymore, get one of these because it smells exactly the same. Like exactly the same. And obviously you guys can use my code so you guys can get a discount. But yeah, that smells incredible. Incredible. I love that. So that is everything for this review slash unboxing video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and if you haven't checked out Nova Wax Melts yet, I definitely would. I will leave all the links in the description box along with my discount code. I don't get anything for you guys using my code or anything. It is literally a gift from Kaylee to you guys, so make sure you use it, use and abuse it, and buy as much as you can, because honestly this smells amazing. If you guys haven't got your hands on any Snow Fairy from Christmas, I would highly recommend stocking up on these because these smell amazing. However, out of everything else, I don't know which is my favourite. This one definitely smells like something. It's got a fruity sort of smell, and if any of you guys get the birthday cake one, please let me know what it smells like, because I cannot put a finger on it. I don't know what it smells like, but I love the coffee one, the stress, I just love all of it. so I can't choose. As you guys know, I wouldn't promote any business on my channel that I don't truly love and appreciate, so yeah, I absolutely am obsessed with everything, and I really think you guys would love it too, so make sure you check her out. I will leave all the links down below like I said. And yes, anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna go. I have a lot more videos to film today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys!